Hi loves, it's Mary and welcome back to another impromptu Microlocs video. This video is going to be about lock problems. I think it's quite easy when you have microlocs and your hair is quite dense. People just kind of assume that your locks are perfect. They're really not. Full disclosure, I'm going to show you some problems, issues that I'm having with my locks right now. I'm not going to be showing you how I fix the issues. I'm just going to be showing you what the issues are, just so that, you know, if you have said issues, you know that you're not alone. But I will be covering how I fix them in upcoming videos. So first of all, bunching / thinning locks. So I'm going to show you one of my locks. This is actually what inspired this video. Can you see this? I have interlocked the base of this, but you can see I have a large section of bunching here and a large section of bunching right here. I'm just going to put my hand here for clarity's sake. This and this. And then you can see the bits in between. These are not interlocked. This is just a few strands of hair just hanging on for dear life. This has happened because bunching happens, especially if you have a particular hair type or texture. I haven't been interlocking my hair regularly. I am almost 5 months into my Microloc journey. I have interlocked my whole entire head one full time, and now I'm in the process of interlocking for the second time. So yeah, there are some sections of my head that have not been interlocked for quite a while. This is the result, especially when my hair gets washed and I have shedding, which naturally happens, but you can see like this is shed hair bunched up here and shed hair bunched up here. It happens. Secondly, when I wash my hair, this happens a lot at the front. A lot of unraveling. Can you see? The hairs at the front of my head are very, very soft. Even though I braided the roots and then twisted the ends, they just slip out easily, especially when my hair gets wet. I'm also having some unraveling when I wash my hair, but that's pretty normal and natural. Like you can see this has split into two down here. The ends are holding, but this bit here is separated. And there's one other thing I'm a little bit scared to admit. I'm hoping you'll be able to see this. Can you see that bald patch? That happens when I was up late one night trying to interlock a section at the back that looked like this, and I lost like a whole lock. I was pulling it through, I was interlocking it, and then I was like, oh, I will just tug it because, you know, a little section like this can come through because it got stuck, and then just the whole lock came off of my hand. These are my lock confessions, okay? I will be updating you guys as to how I fix these issues in upcoming videos. If you want to watch those videos, then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that when these videos come out, you'll be notified. Let me know what lock problems you have. Let me know what lock issues you're currently having. Please tell me I'm not the only one, okay? Wishing you health, happiness, and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon. Take care.